Hello, Manya. How are you?
Yes, I'm great. Fabulous. How are you?
I'm also doing great and excited for this taste as well. So, first of all, introduce yourself a little bit and how
Okay.
long you have been doing classes with me.
Okay, so I am Manya Seri and I study in class 7th B. I am from Madhya Pradesh and I am currently living in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Oh,
And I have been doing these classes from around 2 to 3 months, 2 months. Yes. And yeah, and these classes are really good.
okay.
It has helped me improve my grammar and fluent like speaking fluently. So
Nice. Good. Great introduction. I know everything about you more than this introduction because you are going to complete 3 months, okay, with me. So I know everything about you, but this was just a nutshell introduction for my audience. Okay. So today, your task is that one by one, I will provide vocabularies and you just have to give me meaning and a few examples. Okay, and
okay,
in between if you forget the meaning, if you don't remember, so I'm here to help.
okay,
Okay, so your first vocabulary is here.
okay, okay. So I
Telepathy.
have to write the meaning and
No, you don't have to write, you have to speak.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So telepathy means being similar to someone. Like there is like twin telepathy. People say so. It means like being similar or mostly in looks and behavior also sometimes.
Okay, can you give examples now?
Okay. So while they were singing, they had a a good quality of telepathy.
Okay, one more example I want from you. It should be little clear this time.
Okay. Getting twins who have very great telepathy is nowadays really difficult.
Okay. And doctors often claim this thing that twins always have a telepathy. Hmm.
Yes.
So the simple meaning of this vocabulary is telepathy means having ability to share thoughts mind to mind without speaking
Yeah, mine
anything.
too.
Yes. Okay. This is the meaning of telepathy. Okay.
Similar.
Yes. Second word is here.
Mm. Okay. Okay, so we means you are trying to refrain your habit of uh, doing something or you are trying to control yourself.
Yes, great word which you have used, like you are trying to refrain your habit or something. Hmm? Okay,
Yes.
example.
Yeah. So the mother is trying to wean the child's habit
Mhm.
of drinking milk from bottle.
Okay, great one. Another.
I am trying to wean my habit of eating rice too much.
Okay, okay, nice one. So you know the right meaning of this word and examples are also correct. Second,
Yes.
I mean third one.
Mm, yeah, third. Pragmatic. Okay.
Hmm.
I mean, I
Pragmatic.
am not clear about this, but I doubt my answer. That does it mean dramatic?
Dramatic. No,
Dramatic.
no, this is not the right
Okay.
meaning.
Fantastic.
Okay.
I don't know why, but I am thinking now that it means a person who is really excited. Excited.
Okay. Now let me give you the exact meaning. And first, I will give an example of this word. Okay.
Okay.
And you have to guess the meaning. Okay. So she is very pragmatic when it comes to solving her problems. Did you get the
Oh,
meaning?
serious?
She serious. Okay. So the meaning of pragmatic word is a person who is very practical.
Hmm.
Okay. Never
Okay.
think about solutions which are not like
Necessary.
which are not making any sense.
Okay.
Okay. Solutions should be very realistic, practical. Okay. So a person who believes
Okay.
in practical things, that is a pragmatic person. So
Okay.
example if I give you, she is a very pragmatic person. She likes to solve her problems with practical reasons, with practical solutions. Now you
Okay.
try.
Hmm. Okay. I would say that my dad is a really pragmatic person when it comes to his comes to maths. Like whenever he teaches me maths, he's really serious and he is really logical. Not only in maths, but yes.
Yeah, right one. Your sentence is correct. Now next word is here. Orthodox.
Orthodox. Okay.
Now what you have to do? Here is a twist. Okay. You have to use pragmatic and orthodox in same sentence. First guess the meaning. What's the meaning of orthodox? After that.
Is it something related to doctor?
No, not actually.
Health.
Mhm. Don't mess up with the meaning.
Orthodox.
Okay, let me give you the meaning.
Okay.
Orthodox means culture, family, people who are following old cultures or things, rituals they are following. That family is known as an orthodox family, an orthodox society. This is the thing.
I was definitely not on the same page as you.
No worries, it happens. Okay. But I'm sure
Okay.
you can give me fantastic examples using pragmatic and orthodox.
Okay.
Yeah.
As my father is a pragmatic person
Mhm.
and he really likes uh, exploring things such as their culture, festivals. So he tells me that our family is orthodox.
One sentence from my side. I'm very pragmatic person, so I don't like an orthodox family, an orthodox society. Pragmatic person means see, in old time, yeah, people used to follow so many rituals. Okay, these rituals comes in orthodox things. Okay, so I am very pragmatic person. I don't like an orthodox family or their culture. Got it?
Okay.
Got it? Any one sentence from your side. I want.
Using pragmatic and orthodox
Yes.
both.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. She used to be a pragmatic person, but when she got to know that her best friend's family is Orthodox, she started loving the culture and rituals, old cultures.
Wonderful, wonderful. Next, here you
Thank
go. Henpecked.
you. Actually, I think I'm hearing these words for the first time.
Okay. Henpecked means a husband who is controlled, dominated by his wife. In Hindi में अगर हम
Oh,
बोले तो जोरू का गुलाम. That person is handpicked.
okay.
Okay, now try sentence.
Okay. He is henpecked over her wife whenever he does any mistake while making chapatis. Her wife beats him with a rolling pin.
Still, he loves her a lot. That
Yes.
comes. Okay, that comes in handpicked. One more.
Nowadays, we can find many henpecked husbands who are trapped under their wife.
Nice one. Okay, here you go. Next one. Inculcating.
Inculcating.
Hmm. Give the meaning.
Okay, inculcating. Does it mean something which is interesting?
Don't mess up with the meaning. Let me tell you then. Okay, let me give you example. Parents and teachers always play a vital role in inculcating good manners in a kid. Now tell me, what's the meaning?
Teaching.
Hmm?
Teaching?
Teaching or habit? Inculcating
Yes.
habit. Yeah. Okay. Now got the meaning?
Yes. Okay. I have a teacher who is really inculcating about her students. And she always helps us with our homework, and she's never rude.
Nice one. Great. Here you go. Next one. Trivial reason.
Trivial reason, okay. Actually, I think that people say it is a trivia quiz. So I think it is something related to trivia. Is it? Like,
You can guess the meaning with this word. Trivial reason. Reason is there. Guess the meaning now.
yes.
Hmm.
Funny reason, senseless reason.
Senseless reason. Not funny. Senseless reason. Okay. Which children often give to if they don't want to go to school. So they give trivial reason to their parents.
Excuses.
Yeah. Okay. Now, example.
Whenever my answer is wrong, I give trivial reasons to prove it right.
Wow. Wonderful. Now, that's what I was expecting from you to give me brand new example. Okay. This example was nice actually. So, the next one is here. Conquer.
Gain,
Opposite of this.
lose.
Okay. Lose or trying to reduce, overcome.
Yes, it is.
Hmm. Conquer.
Okay. Okay. So she's trying to conquer her habit of playing indoor games instead of outdoor games.
Pillion sit.
Okay, so pillion seat means like, for example, if my dad is driving a car and my mom is sitting behind, so she's a pillion rider, and pillion seat is the seat where she's sitting. So means if I say that not really passenger, but the person who is sitting in the car, not driving.
Mm-hmm.
The opposite of
Okay.
driver.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Example now. The meaning is correct.
Okay, so seat. Okay. Whenever I have to, whenever I have to go anywhere, so I always sit on the pillion seat.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Correct?
Okay. Sentence is correct. One sentence from my side, which can be my favorite sentence. Um, So, in my childhood, I always loved sitting on a pillion seat and hugging tightly from the back to my father. So, yeah, this can be sentence. Got it? Next one is pit stop.
Okay, pit stop means like while it is also related to traveling. So while you're traveling a long distance, so you take some stops in between, maybe to eat or for anything. So that is called a pit stop.
Hmm. Right one. Okay. If you need any petrol, yeah, if you need to fill petrol in your vehicle, that time you take pit stop. Any person who is vomiting, sick, so that time we also take pit stop. Or if we are hungry to eat something, that time we also take pit stop. Okay. Example.
Okay. While traveling, we took a pit stop to eat samosas. Samosa.
Okay. Next one and the last one is a sabbatical.
Does it mean something related to a break or holiday?
Yes, you are on the right track.
Sabbatical leave.
Hmm.
I
Yes.
would say holiday.
Yes. Leave holiday,
Or maybe
break
yes,
for some time.
yes.
Okay. Now give me example.
Okay. Sabbatical leave. As I was sick, so I no no. Let me reframe. I took a sabbatical leave from my school as I was a little sick.
Okay. But one thing I want to add here, we always use this vocabulary sabbatical for long break, for long holiday. Hmm.
Okay.
So I can make the sentence that I have been teaching for 10 years now, but nowadays I have taken a sabbatical for writing my own book and traveling the world. Okay, so sabbatical most of the time we use for long break. Have done the task, okay, and you did great.